Gujarat is the fifth largest Indian state by area, covering some 196,024 square kilometers, and the ninth most populous state, with a population of 60.4 million. There are 33 districts in Gujarat. The coastline of the state is about 1,600 kilometers, being the longest coastline in the country. Around 144 islands adorn Gujarat state's coastline. Out of these, 32 islands have been selected for development by the government of Gujarat. Gujarat government aims to facilitate and enable the holistic development of islands in Gujarat. Thus, ActionLAND, joining hands with the Gujarat Infrastructure Development Board, take the opportunity to contribute to mapping and exploring some islands. Recently, 3 islands were surveyed by ActionLAND, namely Kadia Island, which is situated near Surat district, Piram Island in Gulf of Khambhat near Bhavnagar district, and Azad Island near Devbhoomi Dwarka district. Kadia is a small island located in the Arabian Sea, near Surat city. The island is approximately 6 kilometers long and 3 kilometers wide, with a total area of 11.35 square kilometers, and is accessible by boat from Hazira and Jumas. It is primarily known for its prawn farming. Piram is a small narrow island situated in the Gulf of Khambhat with an area of 0.9 square kilometers. The main attraction of the island is the lighthouse situated on it. The local people visit the place for fishing activities. Azad Island is situated in the Devbhoomi Dwarka district of Gujarat. The island is covered in 1.35 square kilometers area with a population of about 100 people. These localities are involved in farming and fishing activity. The island is rich in bauxite minerals.
Well, how did the ActionLAND work?
ActionLAND aims to be globally significant in each of its expertise and businesses. It approaches to utilize action, innovation and engineering to bridge the science and society. ActionLAND specializes in distinct sectors such as agriculture, transportation, architecture and landscape, infrastructure, heritage, planning. Some of the services we provide are drone surveys, GIS mapping, DGPS survey, 3D modeling, hydrographic survey, bathymetric survey, location intelligence, and consultancy services. The process that ActionLAND follows is a team travels to the site for conducting the drone survey, where an area of interest is finalized and ground control points are marked for DGPS survey. Later, drone is operated and flied over a designated area and high-resolution images of the site is collected. Now, the raw data in the form of photographs are aligned and processed through different software, and a stitched image of the study area is obtained. This image is called an orthomosaic image. Later, with the help of this map, many more layers of the map can be formed. A few examples of information that we can collect from photogrammetry images are slope maps, contour maps, digital surface models, hill shades, digital terrain models, hydrology, topographical feature marking map, etc. The orthomosaic image is a high-resolution image captured by the drone and processed using photogrammetry techniques. It has a clear vision of topographic features. The next is digital surface model. This map is created by extracting the surface information from the drone images. The result depicts a range of surface elevation within the area of interest. The following map is a digital terrain model, which generates terrain values and removes the additional topographic elevation information. For the slope map, the maximum change in elevation from distinct points is measured, and that vertical or horizontal change ratio between 2 points is called slope. The next map is the contour map. An imaginary line that connects points of equal value is called a contour line. In the topography features map, the visible features such as vegetation, utilities, structures, roads, etc. are marked on the orthoimage to generate topography features. The map of hydrology shows the flow and direction of water, catchment area, monitoring points, etc. The next map is the hill shade map. It provides a clearer picture of the topography by mimicking the sun's effects like illumination, shading, and shadows on hills and canyons. The false color composite image is a multispectral image interpretation using the standard visual RGB band range, red, green, and blue. For the vegetation map, this layer is generated and measured by NDVI, Normalized Difference Vegetation Index. The following map is the Vegetation Health Index. The information on this map is extracted from chlorophyll content from vegetation and the atmospheric temperature. The next map is the land surface temperature. It provides information on how hot the surface of the earth would feel to touch in a particular location. The map of turbidity gives information about the cloudiness or haziness of a fluid caused by large numbers of individual particles. ActionLAND then provides all the data and information in distinct ways like customized maps, detailed reports, presentations, SWOT analyses, observations, conclusions, etc. ActionLAND is a living laboratory that includes innovations and disruption in the consulting industry for a better world. We are about innovation, quality and trust. Innovation to offer innovative solutions in all aspects of our projects, quality to ensure quality outputs for our clients. Thus, ActionLAND along with the team aims to keep continuing and contributing our hard work to society and the world.